I'll tell you why you should be worried. I'll tell you the wrongdoing that you're talking about. In the letter that you have given, give me a moment. In the letter that the Adarsh Cooperative Housing Society has given, it's the application for land allotment. It's dated the 7th of February 2000. You state in this application, and I now quote from your application, sir. The society, Adarsh Housing Cooperative Society, has negotiated. Hear me out. Hear me out. Hear me out. I'm quoting from your application. Hear me out before you respond. Adarsh Cooperative Housing Society has negotiated with local military authorities who have expressed their willingness to allow the society to go ahead with the project if a certain amount of accommodation is also provided for army welfare, that is for girls' hostel, who will be the female children of army officers serving in far-flung, remote and field areas. These are the exact words from your application. Are they not? Have you forgotten it? Should I hold this letter up so that you can see it once, Mr. Gidwani? Letter from your housing society to the state government.
No, it may be any letter because I am not aware, and I can recognize now after the 10 years. But our land has been whatever internal correspondence with the government.
No, you can't easily feign ignorance. Did you or did you not, Mr. Gidwani, in your application on behalf of the Adarsh Housing Cooperative Society, promise that this land will be taken over, and in consideration you will give accommodation for army welfare to a girls' hostel and will also give land to people who are serving in Kargil and other places? This is said in your own application, sir. You are not aware of what you applied for? You are not aware of what you applied for? So you are saying Adarsh Housing, are you the promoter of Adarsh Housing Society or not, sir?
No,
this is your application.
I am not promoter. Who said? No, who said? Is there my signature? Is there my signature? I am not promoter. I am the member of the from the beginning, but I am not promoters. I have not wrote any letter. You prove me my signature.
No. So now you're saying somebody else wrote this. You are associated with the Adarsh Housing Society. So I am quoting from your own letter. Mr. Gidwani, your memory seems to be fading you. I am quoting from your letter. It's an application for land allocation. It's dated the 7th of February 2000. And you say you have negotiated with local military authorities who say that the society can be given a go-ahead if the land is provided for army welfare. Now this building has been constructed. The houses are worth 4 crore rupees. Where is this girl hostel?
There is no any reservation. You are asking from your side, but I am telling you the land is.
I am not asking from my side, Mr. Gidwani. I am not asking from my side. I am quoting from the letter that you, on behalf of the Adarsh Housing Society, wrote to the Maharashtra government, in which you say you have negotiated with local military authorities who are prepared to give it as long as there's accommodation provided for army welfare. And now suddenly when you come on our show, you're feigning ignorance. You have no idea about the letter that was written by the Adarsh Housing Society, sir?
Yes. Which is I am not aware. I will tell I am not aware. I clearly told you, show me my signature. I wrote a letter to the government of Maharashtra. We are not wrote a letter to the government of Maharashtra.
The Adarsh Housing Society has written this letter. The letter is enclosed. We've got the letter with us. We can show it to you.
It will maybe with you, but it is not my signature.